Guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be covering some leather repair. I'm going to be doing it on my Cadillac CTS 2012. And yeah, just so you can see, I got this kit off of Amazon. And I'm going to empty the box so you can see what's in it. So very simply, you've got like a mixer, a paintbrush, a little container to hold the paint, and this cloth, which is to basically, if you have a big hole, it's going to help you bridge that hole together. And then these are all the different colors of the application, and it's very straightforward. You know, you can mix colors and then apply, or you could just, you know, pour one color out and just apply it directly. You know, there's nothing, no other science or chemistry behind it. But anyways, let's get outside and let's get started. What I'm gonna do is just take a little bit. I already did a lot of it because I just didn't have enough time. I wanted to make sure I got everything done before the sun came up. But all I'm doing is, with this crack, there was a piece that, this thing was totally obliterated. Like, there's no vinyl right here in the middle, and right here it was like a big flap, like a piece was like flapping off. So I painted under the flap. You paint under the edges that are loosened up, and then once you paint underneath all the loose vinyl, then you can start pressing it down and painting over it like I'm doing right now. You see, like, some parts want to stick up, but you could just keep pushing them down as you paint. Here I'm basically replacing vinyl that isn't there. Now up top here, I just basically did the same thing. I put some of the vinyl replacement solution underneath the vinyl pieces that were up, and then pressed it down, and then started painting over it, right? And that's all there is to it. There's nothing else. Those, see, there's like little cracks, little spots. I just paint over them. You know, that's basically all you can do, you know. And then, yeah, so in a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to clean it up. All right, guys, so here we are doing cleanup, and I'm basically gonna use just alcohol, pour it in there, just let it soak for a little bit, and then I'm also gonna rest the toothbrush in there. I'm gonna come back in a little bit and then swirl it around and then rinse it out, and then probably repeat this step like maybe 2 or 3 times until it's completely clean. So as you can see, after rinsing it, you know, twice, letting it soak with alcohol and rinsing it twice with warm water, it's pretty much clean and, you know, usable all over again. These bristles are plastic, so yeah, we can use them all over again. And yeah, let me go show you the results outside. So here are the results. As you can see, it's dried. I let it bake in the sun. Yeah, so it's best to start this in the morning when it's nice and cool, so that way you can spread it out nice, and then throughout the day the sun will bake and dry it, and then by the end of the day, I mean, it's good to go. I see a few little cracks here that I'm gonna go back over, and I'm probably gonna add another coat on top of certain areas, but other than that, it's good to go. And yeah, after that, I'll do the cleaning process again, cleaning everything up, and that's it. So go ahead, pick up this kit, it works. And until next time, guys, like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, if I did anything wrong, and I'll see you later.